So I think this is a, well, I wanted to say baby starling, but that's like leopard print belly. May still be a starling. Look at that little guy. Hi. Aren't you cute? Will you step up? Will you step up? Oh my God, I can touch you. He can't fly very good, obviously. All right, I won't torture you anymore by coming near you, but good morning. We left a little bowl of water if it needs some water. Okay, so I'll just sit in this chair and tell you everything, okay? You're my new buddy. We're just gonna talk. Okay, I think that's Mama. You calling for the baby? Yeah? Yeah, calling for the baby. We're friends now. You and you're precious. Precious baby. We're totally buds, right? Totally buds. Gotta tell you, friend, hope you survive. The world's a wild and crazy place. You're absolutely adorable. Take care of yourself, okay? Yeah. There's like no tail yet. No tail yet. Still working on it, huh? Been super busy lately, so I bought me a big tub of this so I can make myself little bits of fat in these candy molds. And they're delicious. Ta-da! A star! Yay! I found one of these little laser light toys for kitty cats, and I brought it over to my mom's house for her kitties. And I think it's a success. It's definitely going to keep them kind of entertained for a while. Zoomed out too far.
Well, right now, little kitty outside is, I guess, still hiding because the noise from the mower.
Oh. Then there's this big thing. She's a mess.
You're not following it. There it is.
Are you a mess?
Kitty.
You are a mess, aren't you? Yep, you are.